Meow.
No, sorry.
Does anyone have any advice to get him to stop doing this? I have put so much tinfoil on this TV, and I've tried double-sided tape. Nothing is working. I spray him with a spray bottle. He likes being sprayed.
Are you the pricklier one? Somebody told me you were the pricklier one. What do you have to say to that?
I got a cat and I don't, he sucks on my neck. And apparently that's normal. Apparently it's comforting to them. So we'll just be letting him do this.
Ma quindi voi, scusate, voi siete abusivi qui?
Abusivi.
E non
Good morning. How are you? I'm good. What? You got wet Pete's? What were you up to? Okay. I know it's not any of my business, but you're filthy. You're not coming in today. Sorry. Nice and sunny. You can stay out.
Hi, ma'am. I need to get this notarized. Thank you. What are you doing? I know what you're doing. I saw what you're doing. You can just hide them. Oh my God.
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?